If you're just getting started with your child on early math, this is where the road begins. And phase 1 of the numbers drive is designed to help you do exactly that. But let me tell you right now, this phase has nothing to do with flashcards or worksheets. This is about building your child's number sense, not just number recognition. Phase 1 is where your child starts to understand numbers as a real part of life, not just symbols on paper or characters in a song. You'll be focusing on quantity, one-on-one correspondence, subitizing, visual comparison, introduction to operations, verbal fluency and comprehension, trusting their body and intuition with numbers. These are fundamental skills that most curriculums rush through, but we slow them down and spread them out so they stick. Here's what phase 1 will look like in your home or classroom. 1, we start with quantity. Your child will begin learning what numbers mean by grabbing, collecting, and sorting physical items. An example could be, can you bring me 3 feathers? Or find 2 rocks and 4 shells? It could be leaves, math cubes, snacks, magnets, anything physical. You're teaching the meaning of 3 through movement and touch. 2, practice multi-step instructions. You'll give combinations like 2 feathers, 1 rock, 3 toys, 2 crayons, 4 grapes. This trains listening, memory, and early logic. They're not just counting, they're building working memory through number. 3, draw the numbers. You'll challenge your child to draw the number they're working on. Often using circles, draw 4 circles. Now draw 2 more. This reinforces hand development, counting, and symbolic connection all at once. Circles are great for beginners, but you can shift the shape as their coordinates improve. Or you can shift the shape as their coordination improves. 4, count all day, everywhere. This is math in motion. You'll integrate it into everyday life. How many strawberries are on your plate? How many red cars did we pass? Count while brushing your teeth. How many steps to the front door? Phase 1 is built on constant casual exposure. 5, subitizing with dots. You'll flash quick dot cards for 1 to 5 and ask how many. The goal isn't counting, it's recognition. You're training your child to see a number without counting. That's subitizing. And it's a powerful skill most curriculums skip. 6, compare quantities visually. Your child will learn how to estimate and compare. Which group has more, which pal has less, and they'll do it without counting. This builds logic and estimation early. 7, understanding 0. Most children start with 1, but we'll introduce 0 as the starting point. 0 is nothing. Now count up. 0, 1, 2, 3. Count down from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Understanding 0 sets the foundation for timeline, subtraction, and number theory. 8, build number stairs. You'll use linking cubes or blocks to build number stairs from 1 to 5 or 10 or greater. This shows sequence visually. The numbers go in order and build on each other. It also prepares them for place, value, and base. 10 concepts later on. 9, decode the teen numbers. When your child starts to name the numbers beyond 10, you'll guide them through the inconsistencies in English. Why does 5 become 5th and 15? Why does 11 and 12 sound like 1 or 2? We treat these as oddball numbers and separate them from the clean teen team. 14, 16, 17, 18, 19. This sets up naming clarity and gives your child a confident grip on verbal number structure. And then lastly, introduce addition and subtraction early. You'll begin exploring, what does plus sign mean? What does total mean? What happens when something is taken away? You had 2 crackers, I gave you 1 more. How many now? We don't force operations, we introduce them gently through real experiences. Don't expect perfect answers. Expect deepening understanding. You'll watch your child go from grabbing items randomly to grabbing the exact amount, to knowing what 5 looks like, to adding 2 and 3 on their own, to telling you that one group is bigger without even touching it. That's phase 1. It's not flashy, but it's fundamental. And if you do it with intention, it becomes unforgettable. Tools you can use: nature walk items, rocks, sticks, leaves, MathLink cubes, mini chalkboard, dry erase table, dot cards, homemade versions, paper, markers, snack time, sidewalk. Anything becomes a math tool when you use it with purpose. Phase 1 isn't about memorizing numbers, it's about understanding them. It's about laying the foundation before you build the formulas, and it's something any parent, any caregiver can do. You don't need to be a math teacher, you just need to be present. And this is the Number Drive, and this is where it begins.